Good afternoon. Jack Marshall with Hangar 38, and I'd like to talk just a little bit about what's called a Design Reference Mission, a DRM. A Design Reference Mission is a notional mission that one designs to. And for the TRU, we have a Design Reference Mission. And that mission is to be able to go from Miami, Florida to Anchorage, Alaska over a 10-day period of time for 2.5 people. If a vehicle can achieve 20 miles per gallon pulling this TRU, that would take 250 gallons of fuel to get there. Okay? 250 times 20 is 5,000. We don't carry that much fuel. Most vehicles carry between 15 and 35 gallons. So what we will do in our Design Reference Mission is to account for 75 gallons being on board, 25 in a fuel tank and 50 in the back of the vehicle, which would be 10 5-gallon tanks, fuel tanks. We account for 2.5 people, but you also have to have provisions for 2.5 people. What I've done for that, to add a little bit of gravy, is to have 30 MREs on board, meals ready to eat, to have the 21-gallon onboard water tank filled to capacity. This water is potable, but won't be as fresh as drinking something right out of a water bottle. So we'll say that that water is to be used for cooking, cleaning, showering, that sort of thing. There'll be 30 liters of water on board. 4 1.75 liter bottles of alcohol, booze, 2 cases of soda and assorted other than water drinks, and 30 snacks. It's not really a lot of food, it's plenty of water. So that is what we need for the system, and actually to get us there. And you can say, okay, what are we going to do for the other 75 gallon, or excuse me, for the other 175 gallons of fuel that's needed? And the answer to that is, well, you just have to get it. If there's no gasoline at the gas stations, then what we're forced to do is actually take some. And there will be a fuel siphon on board to be able to actually pilfer fuel as needed. With the 75 gallons that we do have on board, or will plan for, that will actually get us 1,500 miles if we can get 20 miles per gallon out of it. So 1,500 miles is pretty far. Okay, we'll get on to some other concepts later, but I just wanted to get the Design Reference Mission down for everybody. All right, thank you. Jack Marshall, Hangar 38.
Okay, the rear entry to the TRU. And we'll hold it right here just for a second so that we can see the electronics panel, which is on the right side, the starboard side. Above, a few other features. CB radio. External monitor. Television. 2 inverter systems. Row of batteries down below. Charge controller. Some food MREs. Currently there are just 8 here. 8 MREs. Water and booze supply. Refrigeration system. crossbow for hunting, microwave oven, air conditioning unit, storage lockers, water container, bedroll, and what you see on the left side here, this black wall, is actually a drop-down sleeping rack.